Hello guys, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So if you don't know what this is, it is another one of those supposed miracle products that's supposed to help you with your stomach or your weight loss. So as you can see, it promotes healthy weight management, supports healthy digestion, and boosts energy and vitality. And as you can see right here, we have it here opened up on Walmart. And I couldn't find any other information about this product yet, guys. If you look closely here also, we have another one here, but there's only one review, which is 1 star. So there isn't a lot of information about this product. I couldn't find anything about it online. So before buying this product, guys, I would advise you to do some more research or just buy another product that's more trusted and more famous and more reliable than this one. And yeah, that'll be it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.